Hey guys, in this video I'm talking about my favorite topic, vehicle wraps, and I'll give you 5 reasons why vehicle wraps is absolutely must, what you can expect and what you're gonna do with vehicle wrap and why is it so important. So vehicle wraps, guys, it's in my book, it's first phase, it's right there. I'm gonna throw it right from the beginning, and there's so many reasons why. Reason number 1, vehicle wrap is one of the biggest statements you can make as a person, as a business owner, especially if you're a startup. When you start a new company like I did 5 years ago, and you start wrapping your vehicles, you're telling everybody, you're telling your friends, you're telling your family, you're telling your potential clients that you are here to stay. You're not going anywhere. Look at me. I'm spending all this money, I'm wrapping this vehicle with this name of mine, with this business idea that I just came up with. Whatever you're doing, it doesn't matter if it's a restaurant, if it's maybe you're coaching, maybe like whatever the service, doesn't matter. When you put your name on your cart and you're willing to drive through the town, that's a statement. It's a big, bold statement of your intentions to stay in business for a long time. People love it. They're gonna respect you and they're gonna help you to grow that business, whatever it is. Reason number 2, it is the biggest impressions you can make. Think about how many impressions, how many people see your cars everywhere you go. In front of you, on the sides, on the back, behind you, everywhere you go, people are gonna see that car. You're gonna go for lunch, people are gonna see who is there eating, what's the company. And again, it's statements and it's impressions in your town, around where you are. How many times you're curious about a service? How many times you may be looking for HVAC company and you remember, yeah, I've seen those trucks 500 times. It's impressions in your town everywhere you go. It's not gonna happen overnight, but one of the things about those impressions I hear all the time, even though you have one car, people will often think that you have many because they've seen you in the morning, in the afternoons, they've seen you in different roads. You're like, oh yeah, that company is all over the place with their vehicles. What vehicles? We just have one. Impressions are huge. Number 3, the reason number 3, and it's super important, guys, because this is do-it-yourself marketing class. It's not an agency. I'm not charging you for it. I'm just teaching you how to get organic results. You ready for this? Vehicle wrap is organic. In people's brain, it's organic. It's almost expected for the business to come to them with a marketing material versus, for example, billboard. That's not organic. Ad on TV, that's not organic. That's paid. Everybody knows it's paid. Everybody knows billboard is paying money to be there. Now, when you come on a vehicle wrap, anywhere you go, it's almost like business card. It's almost like soft introduction. It's almost like organic. People expect it. Like when somebody arrives at my place, I don't care if it's carpet cleaners or maybe food delivery, like I want them to have vehicle wrap. Like Home Depot are gonna make their delivery, or Lowe's, they're gonna have huge decal on their truck. Guess what? That's organic. It's just stating everybody that I just purchased appliances from Lowe's and they're delivering to me. Nobody will think of, oh, Lowe's is just trying to get this neighborhood. No, that's organic. And that's the reason number 3 why it's so important. Reason number 4, guys, it's gonna boost your and your employees' confidence. Think about it. You're gonna arrive at the job, maybe you just started, maybe you don't have a lot of experience. Like me, a couple of years ago, I remember me arriving like 3rd estimate and I already have a wrapped vehicle. I tell the story to everybody. I got out of the car, it was a gutter appointment, went around, measured everything and asked homeowner a question where he wants downspouts. Just his opinion. He literally smirked, looked at my car and he said, well, you're the professional, you tell me. When you have a wrapped vehicle, people will start treating you a little bit different, treating you as a professional, and it will boost your confidence. Because all of a sudden, you are step up from some of your competitors and you will feel that. So confidence is huge. You will have a little bit more faith in you, maybe closing the deal sometimes when you will be arriving in a nicer wrapped vehicle. And the reason number 5, guys, why I recommend everybody, especially startup companies out there, to wrap their vehicle It's a tricky one, but there's a lot of truth to it. Business owners do want to give up a lot. A lot of businesses close within the first 5 years. First couple of years, I would say. When you wrap your vehicle, it will help you to stay in business longer. And I really mean it, because this comes from my heart to you. I say it how it is. I wanted to quit my business many times. And one of the main reasons I didn't, besides my family, besides my employees, just because how heavily I was invested in the business. If I would run business like 80% of guys out there, keep it quiet, keep it shy, don't throw yourself out there. You know, you make it, you make it, you didn't make it, you didn't make it, well, go elsewhere, right? Well, for me, after 3 years in business, it wasn't an option. When you have vehicle wrapped, when you have, you know, commercials, YouTube channel, and you're all in and the whole world is watching, now it's a little pressure, and you will need that pressure. You need somebody to discipline yourself. Guess what? That vehicle wrap, and that's the reason number 5, it's really hard to take off. It's your commitment to your own business, because you don't want to wrap a vehicle if you're not 100% committed. It's like marriage. It's like getting the ring to your wife. As long as you wear it, means you're committed. When you take it off, it means something is not right. Well, when you start taking off vehicle wraps from your business, it means it's going down. But before that happens, you'll have to change your mentality completely. So reason number 5, it will help you to stay in business. I know it doesn't sound right, but it's true. It will prove your commitment to the world, just like wedding day and your ring proves your commitment to your wife. It's just a kind of sign. It's not just a business card, it's not just a t-shirt, it's literally your vehicle. And people, you know, will ask questions. So for all of those 5 reasons, guys, I'm telling you, it's one of the best investment. You will churn also, it's a bonus tip for you right now, but you will churn almost any job site of yours, especially if you're a contractor, into a photo session. You will claim the landscape. If you have a building, you'll come to your building, take a picture. Like anywhere you go, now you own it. Your company owns it. Every house you work on, you own it. And for those of you guys who didn't just purchase the videos, but who actually purchased entire package with the customer service, you can send us any pictures, and I highly recommend you do it, because I've seen so many bad wraps on the road. Please send us your vehicle wraps, your design. We'll go back and forth with you. I've been doing it for a couple of years now. I have so many contractors, so many people share with me their design. It's important to have somebody in your corner who will not just say, you know, how good looking it is, or like, but it'll give you ideas. Is it clean? Is the numbers big enough? It's not too busy. Is the colors represent your brand? Is it like, what is it you're trying to do? Are you trying to be bold? You're trying to be aggressive? Because you can go wrong with the vehicle wrap. It will look good. Your ego will be like, oh yeah, this is cool. But from marketing perspective, it's not gonna do a lot. So I highly recommend you send us any of designs, and that package, customer service package, it's unlimited. So I don't care if you need 3 weeks to design it or maybe 20 revisions. We will tell you how it is. Maybe we can work directly with the company, with the shop who works on the vehicle wrap. That's, guys, one of the most important steps. So if you have customer service package, throw us all your designs. We would love to give you feedback. I have few graphic designers on my team, included myself, and we'll give you feedback. Our feedback is always detailed. We'll tell you if it's a colors, if it's a font, if it's size of your letters, if it's a design overall, if there's maybe pictures to, like, whatever it is, we'll give you an idea. We'll bounce it back with your shop, and we'll help you any way we can to have the best return on investment on your vehicle wrap. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think about the topic today in comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.